Oh, shit volcano kasi paano siya, pa-slope siya kakante.
No!
Imagine if someone farts.
Joke lang oh. Tama ka.
It's kind of a caldera, a little bit.
No, tama ka. Caldera.
Yeah.
Alam mo bakit? Kasi, the truth is,
It's because the thing it has like a
big
like
crater.
vent. The crater, yeah. We're going down now. Don't worry, bro.
Hello guys, Markiplier
Don't worry, bro,
here,
we're going
and I'm
down.
here with
Kita ko yung McDonald's.
Scaredy Dude.
Hey, let's buy
Oh.
that later. Let's buy that later.
Wait, why did you do that?
I'm not with my mama. My mama's at the down floor. Si John look down.
Wow, that's so cool.
Oh, ayun yung pedal.
Wow.
I think it.
Wow.
Anong pedal? Ayun, kita ko na. Yun ba yung pedal? Yung pinapedal? Yun sa dulo? Oh no, that's a fucking kid section. What the fuck? That's the kid section. Yun yung ano yan, yung cartoon world eh. Yung nakita ko dun
You
sa
are
ano.
so loud and I'm so scared.
Hindi na ako, dati pa ako naka,
Second time ko pala.
Ooh, look at that mountain. Oo nga pala, isang pala yung sa greenery around here. Looks pretty
O,
good.
diba?
I've already went these places before. The lake looks just like the lake. Ano yung mga square na yun? Ano ba yun? Mga bangka? It's a fucking boat!
Oh, chill,
Kaya nga,
guys.
bangka.
Chill. I'm literally recording right now.
I'm joking. We're wiggling a little bit.
Yo, wiggly, 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 wiggly.
Huwag kayong magsating movements na nakikita ko na yung ano. Sorry.
Teka na.
Yo, we're going down now.
I can see the thing that you thought it was a fucking roller coaster.
That's
Nahihitaw si William. Naiihi ka? My guy, this is way more calmer.
all right.